right, today I want you to be able to solve exponential and logarithmic equations. Not so concerned about the inequalities today. And I'd love you to be able to solve problems involving exponential and logarithmic equations. So we're going to have to manipulate these equations in many different ways using all kinds of tricks to be able to solve. So you know a lot of these tricks already, even if you're not thinking about it. So 8 to the x equals 2 to the x plus 6. Now we can get these to the same base because 8 is 2 to the third power. So if we kind of rewrite that, 2 to the third to the x equals 2 times x plus 6. Now when you raise power to a power, remember you multiply them. So let me scooch me over there. So 3 times x would be 3x. And once your bases are equal to each other, you can essentially just work on the exponents. So we'd say 3x equals x plus 6. And then all your old equation solving comes in handy. You subtract x from both sides. 2x equals 6. And then you divide by 2. You get x equals 3. So those are the fun ones to me. Those are kind of like a puzzle a little bit. And they're okay. Now the second one's a little trickier because 5 and 200 don't have a common base. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take that exponent, the x minus 2, and we're going to kick it out in front because we're going to log both sides. So we'll say x minus 2 out in front, and then we'll say log 5 equals log 200. So we just logged both sides. And then that exponent, the x minus 2, remember exponents we can kick to the front. Crazy, right? So we logged them both, which is good because they didn't have a common base. Now these are being multiplied, the x minus 2 and the log 5. So we just want to keep the x minus 2, so let's divide both sides by log 5. So in my calculator, if I do log 200 divided by log 5, I get 3.292 and a bunch of decimals. So let's rewrite what we got here. These cancel out, so we're left with x minus 2 equals 3.292. And then we just get rid of the minus 2 by adding 2. So x equals 5.292. So if they do not have a common base, log them, dude. Log them. Kenny Loggins. So I want you to pause here. I'll actually start the next video here and try these 3 problems out. You might need to log both sides. You might be able to keep the same base. I don't know. See what you can do.